We're going sailing. Oh my god, it's a turbo. First stop. Most of us didn't eat breakfast yet and we gotta get something to eat. I'm literally the only person who still uses hand sanitizer probably. How are those prices? Bye Marty. We just dropped off Marty so we can go with our grandfather. Yep, we have another guest coming. Let's go. Oh my god, Hamilton and Rossi, the only good things on these energy drinks. Why does this remind me of something? It's massive grandstands. Finished the drink, got the paperwork done, it's time to go shopping. Look at this amazing trolley organization. Those are like two different types and they've just like connected them in a very weird manner. Oh my god, they have my section here. Come on guys, sign me up. It's a proper steering wheel connected to a freaking monitor. Oh my gosh. Now Arnie's gonna drive. I can't see it. Oh no, a throwback. Bro, they have Heinz beans. Like, what the fuck? We're done. So this is CB.
Disclaimer, mega font.
Okay. It was built this year. It's actually brand new. It's got nice windows on the side. It's the same on the other side. It's got these side protectors. And as we make our way onto it, we have a nice Honda engine. Yep, F1 back here. We have two steering wheels. One left, one right. We have a buildable like table, but we're not gonna build it right now. Here we have like seating. You can store stuff inside. Here we have seating for the skippers. This here is the foldable windshield with a cover, like layer on top. This is a boom with a sail on top. We have more windows on the side also when you walk here. And here is our little boat. And we also have a soup or a stand-up paddle. Here's the second sail we have. We have a very nice view around. Except that. And I guess that's pretty much everything on the outside. Let's explore the inside. We enter the boat with copyrighted music in the background. On the side here we have two bedrooms. They're very symmetrical. And here we have some like cupboards. And here we have a eating section. This table probably can be lowered so you can sleep on it, I'm pretty sure. Here we have the kitchen. We also have an oven and more cupboards. And my mother said this is a welcome drink. Not for me though. Here's the trash. We also have two fridges. This is more like a cooling box. And this here is the actual the actual fridge. Oh my gosh, we've even been given a TV. Forgot about this, but toilets and a shower. Here on the right and on the left we have another toilet. This one's probably private, and we have a smaller bedroom, a bunk bed. And here's the nose bedroom, I'll call it, because it's in the nose of the boat. And I feel like we have, yeah, it's coming from here. We have AC in here, wow. So when we have electricity, we can just like plug the boat in and we're not gonna be like feeling hot. And that, guys, was the CB. What I did forget to mention that is we're currently in Croatia, in Šibenik, and we'll be spending our time around these islands that are in Dalmatia for the next 7 days. And we start today, Saturday, and end Saturday. Alright guys, we've come to a conclusion that I'll be taking a night here. Alrighty guys, so it's about 11, we wake up in about 7 hours, so let's not waste any more time and let's go to sleep. Good morning world. Oh wow. When the weather got better, we got moving. The old ass meme. We just established in Zverinac. I remember the restaurant and this spot because we found a volleyball over here like 8 years ago.
Subscribe to Seba Boy right now.
Jump in! Right, we're done swimming, now we got changed and let's get some ice cream. Just like 8 years ago, same spot, another ball. There we go. We just carried all these oils. We're gonna have some more ice cream. We're currently located on a Croatian island called Zverinac. It was visited by a 9-time world champion in MotoGP and other categories, Valentino Rossi. He stopped by, went to the restaurant to grab a drink, and then left a signed hat, might be still there. Day 2. We arrived here a day after that. So we missed the confrontation with him, maybe, just maybe. Two types of people going to special events. Piece of bread with sheep cheese. And we thought our chargers are in bad condition. Woo! Started to come down, but luckily we have this tree here. Through it. Well, it stopped raining and we found the correct way. Woo! Only in Ohio. Wait, we're in Croatia. Look at this dude. Ooh. Hey, yo, Gulliver, you don't take no shits there, okay? And then you can stay. Guys, look, Sean the sheep and the gang. Papa despacito, para papa Babina guzica. What the heck?
Črne moraš jat.
Ja, od zadaj.
Sitting on a toilet. Honey instead of sugar. The next day, the boat guy brought some breakfast, and then we decided to explore the island Giria that we were staying at. Then we climbed the hill and made our way onto a fortress built by Caesar Justinian back in the 6th century, also known as Gradina. Surprised I didn't mention it to my history professor. Then we made our way back, Marty picked up some herb plants, and then we got moving back to our port. No, boy, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Here it comes. Oh! Oh, wow! When we made it to Šibenik, we fueled up in 2 different ways, and then we settled into our spot and started packing. So here I've sorted my things because we're packing up from the things I didn't use to the things I did actually use. They say you need to put it in euro, but that's a 50-cent coin. We got some FNAF shit going on right there. Ooh, we eating good tonight again, boys. For the 2nd time in 1 day. That was a great dinner. And a snooze later, I went to the local shop. Let's get this bread. To get some food for our trip back because we had a long ride ahead of us. Goodbye CB and Šibenik, we had a fun time together. The arsonist has been doing some shit. Whoa, guys, look, National Suicide Prevention Lifeline was here. I hope that's just rainwater. They have been. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Oh my god, scam machines. Where's my iPhone 14? We also stopped at the birthplace of the American, Serbian, Croatian, or whatever. Dirty. But he was thick. Physicist Nikola Tesla. Can use this phone and you can take photographs. I guess me using my phone is good. Gay? How do you ring these? Whoa, Mr. Beast challenge video. Modern. Hey guys, spell I cup. Not dead. How innovative. You spin my egg right round. Jump scare. Those are some nice scientific clips for me. Back home. More modernity. It's a new store, oh my gosh. And then we picked up our dog and got some lunch at my grandparents' house. And that concludes Sailing 2023. I know it took a long time to edit. You can even see new cut and the older glasses because I'm having the new ones repaired. And it's nearly the end of autumn. But it was a lot of fun. I know you guys might have expected a lot more sailing in the vid, but I was one of the boat members, so I had quite some work to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did filming and experiencing all the things. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's a bird, just freaked us out. Right.
Hey, cormoran. Eek. I'm a vampire.
I just feel a raindrop. You're sus, sweater, you're sus. Tamam, arkadaşlar.